Sneaker notes if we talking about kicks. What's up, family? Welcome to Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. I know y'all see me with all these sixes, but this is the one we came to talk about today. The Jordan 6 DMP. And I've been a sneakerhead for a while to remember when these first dropped in the pack with the Jordan 11s. Because I remember going to one of the Arab sneaker stores. I wonder if those still exist, man. But I remember going and finally like debating with him back and forth to let me just take the Jordan 11. So I think the pack was like $500 or $550. I walked out of there with just the Jordan 11 for $300. That was 2006. Now fast forward to 2020. Finally the 6. I didn't never really like this one, or should I say I liked the Jordan 11 better, and I didn't want the whole pack. Give me a thumbs up and let me know in that comment section below if you remember that pack. Jordan was killing when he did that double pack. He should bring that back. But anyway, the Jordan 6s dropped last Saturday, and to be honest, I was hesitant to even try to win on Sneakers app. But what happened Thursday was I got an email from Sneakers and stuff that I already had won the pair. This is the pair here. So Saturday morning I didn't even have to wake up early and try to buy the pair. The pair looks super clean in hand though, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna get into this review, which you already know we do here at Sneaker Notes. It's the What's on Foot segment. This is part of the segment where you, the viewer, will go down in that comment section below and let your boy know what you rocking on foot when you caught this video. As you can see, I got on the Orlando Magic shorts, blue quarantine hoodie. I should have on these the best foam posits, in my opinion. The Penny Hardaways, the OGs. But I went a little different. So today I got on foot the Dawn C Jordan 2s. And the reason I decided to throw on these was because I ain't thrown on these in a long time. We all quarantined. We just sitting in the house. So I'm going to get the creases out of these things, and I threw them on. Super dope shoe. Super comfortable. Feels like you sit, like your foot is standing on the couch. So on foot today, I got on the Dawn C Jordan 2s in the comment section below. Let me know what you got on foot when you catch this video. And without further ado, hit the music. Unboxing time. Boom. I see what Jordan's been doing this year, and I like it. He put whatever the theme is on the left side of the shoe, and then the classic black on the right side of the shoe, which is dope. But this gold looks special. Very nice gold, very nice touch, Jordan brand. So you flip open the lid, and the first thing you notice is your Unite tissue paper. Now, I thought that Unite was only a Chicago NBA All-Star thing, but as you can see, Jordan is pushing that further past. Let's start with the left shoe. Classic, man. Looks just like the OG. I'm trying to remember if the 2006 pack had a gold shoestring holder or was it this black. But either way, the 2021 has a black one with a gold Jordan jump sign. Okay, start with the tongue since we here. Classic tongue. We always said back in the days this was supposed to be like the backboard to the rim, but that never was proven. And it reads Jordan. Come down, you have a bigger Jumpman logo on the tongue. Just classic, like any other Jordan 6. You come all the way down, your toe box has that nubuck suede. And I'm not gonna lie, it's soft. Look, shh. Feel like you're brushing waves, man. Come around. Regular classic Jordan 6 silhouette. Nothing changed there. It includes the dog tag or the army tag, whatever you prefer. with some gold beads. Nice classic touch. It reads, Air Jordan 6, June 12, 1991. Defining moment, MJ's first professional championship. That's classic, man. This gold really hits. Like, it doesn't look like a fake gold or like a cartoon gold. You know what I mean? It really looks okay. Like, it's a fine gold. When you come to the back tab, it's where it changes it different. This gold plastic tip right here looks like it can be metal. It kind of looks like it could have been real gold. Give you that. And down here, I know I don't remember that from 2006. You have a gold 23 number right under your Jumpman logo. Get that to focus. Super clean, man. Your bottom, same silhouette from the Jordan 6. You know, these have a chance of yellowing with your gold Jordan Jumpman logo there. Back to the tongue. This Jordan 6 actually looks 3D a little bit. It actually feels metal. As y'all can hear that. Dope, man. Inside the shoe, regular Jordan shoe tree. Now these classic bad boys right here was one of my favorite Jordans, man. I remember when that whole Gatorade pack came out, I said, no, I only need the Jordan 6s. But look, I still get a chance to put these bad boys on. Partly it could be the color. Partly it could be because I feel like Jordan 6s are a little bit on the bulky side. Not like LeBron sneakers, but like, I don't know. You got to have the fit to wear these. So when the DMPs finally released, that's part of the reason why I wasn't hyped about it. Granted, they sold out on the sneakers app, but if you look every day, restock here, restock here. This is one of the sneakers in a long time that I remember sales went on to about 1 p.m. Saturday. Finish Line still had pairs. Chic still had pairs. Shoe Palace had pairs. Foot Locker had pairs. So I didn't figure the resale on these to be that much. So this is one of them sneakers where if you like it, you buy it. If you remember the history, you buy it. If you love Jordan 6s, you buy it. But this is not a hype beast sneaker or must-have for a reseller or someone who's just into the hype sneaker. You know what I mean? Again, overall material and quality, I get this sneaker a 9, close to a 10. I don't see one glue stain. Came with a nice gold and black box. Accessorized out. It's a good sneaker, man. In that comment section below, let me know if you cop. Let me know if you're looking to cop. I just looked on StockX and they're only around $225. I think I paid $209 with these. Off an overseas website raffle. So paying $214 or $225 on StockX, not that bad. Even though they added some fees and stuff, we'll get into that in another video. Overall, good sneaker. You shouldn't wait because I don't see prices dropping unless we have another restock that comes along with a 25% coupon or things of that nature. You know, with this quarantine going on, a whole bunch of stuff like that is coming on. So, I don't know, man. Again, on foot today, I got on a Dawn C Jordan 2s. Dope sneaker. In that comment section below, let me know what you're rocking on foot. Even if it's just some slides, because I know we stuck in the house. This is the review on the Jordan 6 DMPs. These are definitely going to stay here. Dope sneaker, man. Historical in its quality, and it's all black. Can't go wrong with all black, man. I'm your boy C Notes. Everybody get rich.